Greetings, culinary enthusiasts and health-conscious gourmands. Before we dive into a world of delicious and diabetes-friendly recipes, remember to drop a comment below about which recipes you'd love us to explore in our next video. Your wish is our command. Now let's embark on a gastronomic journey marries taste and health. Today, we're whipping up 10 scrumptious dishes that are not just palate-pleasing, but also diabetes-friendly. Our first stop is a delightful quinoa salad. Start by rinsing a cup of quinoa under cold water. Simmer it in 2 cups of water until it's fluffy. Then add 1 cup of cooked quinoa, toss in 1/2 cup of chopped cucumbers, 1/2 cup of cherry tomatoes, a mix of bell peppers, and fresh herbs. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of feta cheese on top, and then drizzle the salad with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. This dish is a fiber-rich powerhouse that helps control blood sugar levels. The next recipe on our list is the tantalizing spinach and feta stuffed chicken. You'll need 1 chicken breast, 1 cup of 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of feta cheese. Kick things off by sautéing the spinach and garlic. Following this, incorporate the crumbled feta cheese. The chicken breast comes next. Butterfly it and stuff it full with the spinach feta mixture. Pop it in the oven and let it bake until it achieves a golden hue. Packed with protein and low on carbs, this dish is a reliable ally for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. To whip up our third dish, the heartwarming vegetable lentil soup, you will need the following ingredients: 1 cup lentils, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped carrots, 2 chopped celery stalks, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Start by sautéing the onions and celery. Next, mix in the lentils, tomatoes, and vegetable broth. Let the soup simmer until the lentils reach a tender state. This soup is not only comforting, but also a wise choice for those with diabetes, thanks to lentils being a low glycemic index food. Continuing on, we're whipping up a lively broccoli and tofu stir-fry. To prepare, you'll need 1 block of tofu, 2 cups of broccoli florets, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Start by sautéing tofu until it achieves a golden hue. Then introduce the broccoli florets and a generous splash of soy sauce. Stir-fry all the ingredients until your broccoli exhibits a tender, crisp texture. This dish is a protein and antioxidant powerhouse, presenting an excellent option for diabetes management. We're about to put together an irresistible cauliflower pizza. First, gather your ingredients. Head of cauliflower, 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, 1 cup of chopped veggies, and 1 cup of shredded mozzarella. Begin by crafting a crust out of the cauliflower, then smother it with the tomato sauce, followed by the veggies and a liberal of mozzarella. Finish off by baking until it reaches a satisfying crisp. This low-carb pizza substitute is the ideal solution to appease your pizza desires without causing a drastic rise in blood sugar levels. For our 6th recipe, a delectable baked salmon with lemon and dill, you will need the following ingredients: 1 salmon, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of dill, and a pinch of salt. Begin by seasoning the salmon fillet with the lemon juice, dill, and a dash of salt. Then bake it until it turns flaky. This dish is not just delicious, but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to promote heart health, an essential factor for people with diabetes. To create our zesty shrimp and avocado salad, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 cup of cooked shrimp, 1 diced avocado, 2 cups of fresh greens, and juice of 1 lemon for the vinaigrette. Combine all these ingredients, ensuring each element is well mixed. This healthy, protein-rich salad not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also aids in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Coming up, we're preparing a robust vegetable quiche with an almond flour crust. For this savory dish, you'll need 2 cups of mixed veggies, 1 cup of almond flour for the crust, and 4 eggs for the filling. This quiche, brimming with veggies and encased in a low-carb almond flour crust, is a popular breakfast choice, abundant in fiber and protein. To prepare our 9th dish, the delectable mushroom and spinach sauté, begin by assembling the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of sliced mushrooms and 2 cups of spinach. Here's the process. Start your culinary journey by sautéing the mushrooms first, and then incorporate the spinach, allowing it to sauté until it wilts. This dish is not only low in carbohydrate content, but also high in fiber and brimming with numerous nutrients, thus making it an outstanding side dish, especially for those managing diabetes. Finally, let's whip up a refreshing berry and Greek yogurt parfait. For this, you'll need 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of fresh berries, and 1/4 cup of nuts. Layer these ingredients for a sweet, protein-packed treat that won't spike your blood sugar. And there you have it. 10 recipes that prove that diabetes-friendly meals can be flavorful, satisfying, and easy to prepare. Each of these dishes promotes stable blood sugar levels, heart health, and overall well-being, making them excellent choices for everyone, not just those managing diabetes. If you enjoyed this culinary adventure, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and health-conscious recipes. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and remember, the kitchen is your playground. Happy cooking!